Hi. Hi, sweet boy. Tomorrow, Will be 16 months old. Peekaboo. I see you. Bye. Are you going to go to bed? Peekaboo. Hi. Hi. Where is Will? Is he in the den? There he is. Hi. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. No. Bye. Bye-bye, sweetheart. Hi. Up. Peekaboo. Oops. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Whoa, here he comes. He's gonna get me. Ah! 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 I'm gonna get you. Hey, look. Hi. Hi. Can you dance? Can you dance? Come on, buddy. Dance. Come on. Dance. That's good. What is that? Can you say hot? Hot? Hot. Hot.
There's the Pope. And there's a baby with his toes. Yeah, he's got teeth. A brush. Do you see a duck? Where's the duck? Doesn't look like a duck. There's a fish. Yeah, red fish. And it's time to eat. He gets in the high chair and he's eating Cheerios. He's got one. He's got Cheerios. And what's that? Milk. And milk. Yeah, and look. There's a yellow banana. Got tomato, red ball. No, it isn't height. And there's a bowl full of mush. High chair. And there's a sippy cup. That's the same as yours. Yeah, he's drinking. One-handed too, just like you. Real fancy. Uh-oh, there's diapers. He's walking like you do. And there he is. He's yawning. What is that? That is a what? What sound does it make? Where's the clock? Well, that's a telephone. And there's a house. And a chair. Yep. There's a baby crawling. And that baby's reading a book. And that boy's playing with an alligator with wheels. Yellow wheels. You see the yellow wheels? Let's see what's on the next one. And getting dressed, there's a shirt and pants and a diaper. What's that? Butterfly. And there's a tree. And baby's putting his hat on. Yep. And the grass. You're playing in the grass now. That is. And that baby is in a stroller. And there's a butterfly. Yeah, with the wheels.
What colors?
The butterfly is yellow and white. Oh, look at these toys. There's a rabbit. Building blocks. Pencils, which we are not using yet, thank goodness. And you have one of these. Look at that. He's got those stacking rings. What is that? Say it's a cat. That's a fish. And there, what is this? That's a dog.
And what does the dog say? Ruff, ruff. And what colors?
And there's a kitty cat.
Yeah.
What sound does a kitty cat make? Meow.
Can you point to red? Point to something red, Will? Say red?
That kind of like a clock.
Oh.
Yeah, looks like one.
Yeah.
And there's a red block. And another red block.
Can you find something blue? Blue?
There's blue.
Anything purple?
Well, the background
Purple?
for the cat is purple.
Oh, say purple, Will? Yeah, good.
Oh, here's a purple flower. Purple. And a stroller. And that's a leaf. Stroller, yeah, we'll go for a ride on one.